Hi, today I'm going to show you how to deploy Base44 app on AWS. So, in order to do this, simply navigate to Base44, click on apps, then choose the app that you want to deploy on AWS and click on this icon. Now choose export project as zip and you'll have to basically upgrade to a Builder Pro Elite or Enterprise plan and get the source code file from your project. After the project files get downloaded locally on your PC in the downloads folder, you'll have to simply unzip it and navigate to AWS. So first, create some static file. Go to the root of the project and run these commands. Then this will create dist folder in your repository with the index.html file and assets. Now we'll put them in our S3 bucket. First, create one. So navigate to AWS console, then navigate to S3 and create a bucket by clicking on create bucket button. Now select these configurations and choose bucket versioning disable, encryption type this and click on create bucket. Now simply dump dist folder items in bucket list. So click on upload here and select the files in the dist folder. Now upload all items one by one. Then to configure S3 bucket for a static site host, go to properties, scroll down and enable static site hosting. Now what you'll have to simply do is click on create after choosing all the options according to your preference. So simply click on create and set up the bucket policy. Click on permission and then copy this bucket policy, update the resource in the bucket policy with the name of your bucket. Now move to properties and copy the URL of website URL. Then open the URL in a browser. After you do this, you would have successfully deployed your app on AWS. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.